Igbo language. Now, I do understand that the Igbo language has different dialects. So some words I might say maybe said a different way in your local language, okay? The dialect might be a little off, but this is what I've learned, okay? All right, here we go. Thank you. Imela. Thank you. Tal. Welcome. Ndeo. Good morning. Ibolachi. Good morning. Ututu oma. Sorry. Ndo. Wait. Shere. Shut up. Mechionu. Trouble. Nsobo. Please, Biko, come here. Biaeba. Yeah, that's all I got for now. Please don't laugh. Let me know what y'all think. How did I do? Let me know in the comments.
According to her, one of the words I might say may be said differently in your dialect. Okay, the dialect might be a little off, but this is what I have learned. Okay, all right, here we go. Thank you, welcome, good morning. Please come here. Yeah, that's all I got for now. Please don't laugh. Let me know how I did. These were the bold and beautiful words of a Black American lady trying her best to speak Igbo. She didn't grow up in Nigeria. She didn't grow up in Anambra or Imo or Ebonyi or Enugu State or Abia. But she's doing something powerful, reclaiming her language that once belonged to her ancestors. And for that, she deserves nothing but respect. But guess what? Some people say she was wrong, that the words she used were not real Igbo, just because the dialect didn't match theirs. Just like I used to tell you, Igbos have various dialects. Now, let's set the record straight. Igbo is one language, but it has many dialects. Saying nda for nna doesn't make it different language. Saying ovu instead of obi, they are the same. It doesn't make it wrong. This variation exists even within southeastern Nigeria. Some use ovu for obi in southeastern Nigeria. Some even use nda for nna in southeastern Nigeria. You know, most people know the 5 main Igbo states: Anambra, Imo, Enugu, Abia, and Ebonyi. But that's just the beginning. In River State, you will find the Eche, Ikwere, Oba, Opobo, many of them. Almost 70% of River State speak Igbo. They are all speaking Igbo dialects. Yes, all of them are speaking a form of Igbo language. I was speaking to an Ejo guy the other day. He told me even some of their name is Igbo. I doesn't know how it came by. But we hear some Ikwere people say ours is not Igbo. But when you listen closely, you will hear the same roots. They say Nda for father. Nda. Just like some people in Enugu and Ebonyi. Even Anambra. They say Ovu for heart. Ovu. Obinna. Ovunna. Which is also used in some Southeast. Not just Obi. Southeast does not use just Obi. Some use Ovu too. It is same roots, but different rhythm. And it's still Igbo. In other states, for example, the Anyoma, Eka, and Ebanke people, they speak Igbo too. Their accents and tones might sound different, but the heart of the language is the same. The dialect doesn't erase identity. In fact, it is what makes Igbo rich and beautiful. Like I said, I'm proud to be Igbo. Now, let's compare it with English. English, yes. Americans, Nigerians, Jamaicans, and British people all speak English, but with different accents and slangs. Does that make them wrong? No, it's still English. You hear America, I wanna, I gotta, I want to, I wanna, I gotta. You hear Jamaicans too. You see variations, but it's still English. Even Pidgin English is English. So why are we quick to attack each other when it comes to the case of an Igbo. That lady in that video said it best. Some words I might say may be said differently in your local language. The dialect might be a little off, but this is what I have learned. I see that as humility. I see her courage. That is courage. And I see effort. Sincerely. So to everyone watching, especially those in diaspora, don't let anyone discourage you. If you want to learn Igbo, go for it. Talk to us. You might speak it with an accent. You might get corrected. That's okay. Every Igbo word you speak is a step closer to your roots. Sincerely. And to our Igbo brothers and sisters in Nigeria, let's always support anyone trying to learn our language. Whether they are from Enugu or Atlanta or Chicago, anywhere they are from. If they love Igbo, they are family. You see, Igbo is not just a language. It's a home. And there's room for everyone, no matter how you pronounce it. You hear Ikwere people say, some of our people in Southeast say, Itetana. That's, have you woken up? It's a form of good morning. You hear Ikwere people say, Ehuchala. It's not different.
What Igbo dialect do I come from? So, in Igbo we have different dialects, and centrally the way we say no is mba. But in my dialect, we say olu. Don't cheat. Can you guess what dialect that comes from?
Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwezono. You want to learn Igbo? Start with these simple words. If you want to learn Igbo, start with these simple ones. Dalo is equal to thank you. Biko is please. You heard her saying it. Biko, please. Bia is come. Ututuhoma is good morning. And some people say Itetala, Ehochala, Ikwere people. You see, like we've been doing occasionally, we will post more Igbo lessons and stories. So subscribe and join the movement, because when you speak Igbo, you carry the voice of your ancestors. I am Azuka OJ. I say bye-bye for now.